Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha Shasha, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made the most adorable little twin stars compact. Now, this is something that I was a little bit like, I really want to make it into like a necklace of some sort, but because of the hinge on the back, it just didn't quite look right, and I didn't want to have an upside down star. So I decided to actually make what you're supposed to make. I know that is like so unlike me, but hey ho, it seems like I can't wear everything. Now, I will say that these glow in the dark pigments are so cute. You do need to have a fair amount of the blue pigment though if you want to make your resin look quite blue, because as you can see, it is quite a faint shade of blue there, but when I added in my iridescent flakes and stuff, it still added in more color, and I also put glitter in there too, so you know, you still got that lovely sort of rich blue color coming out. But I do love the way that they glow absolutely beautifully. So sit back, relax, and take a look at how I made this. Now, if you're thinking, hang on a second, that sticker looks rather familiar, that's because it's from the July Sophie and Toffee box from last year. This is the little twin star special edition box that we got. And they do actually still have these available on their website. So do have a look and see if you can still grab one. I didn't actually make this into a shaker. I know that it is a shaker mold, but I didn't make it into a shaker just because I was going to be using it as an actual little trinket box, and I probably wouldn't be shaking it around, and I didn't want all of the like confetti and stars and everything to just settle on their face, so I decided to not do it in a shaker style. There was a big massive air bubble there on the side. I just covered that baby up with a little shooting star, you know me. Air bubbles? What air bubbles? I either cover it all in glitter or cover it with something else. And there you have it, my darlings. Look at this cute little baby. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. I use it to keep my little shaker pieces in. I think it is absolutely adorable, and look at it glow. Oh my goodness. This is obviously when you charge it up with a bit of UV light. This looks so cute. I love it. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next one, and definitely do check out my Sophie and Toffee tutorials. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.